Welcome to this Alan Talks Tech video. If you'd like additional information on my technology videos, please visit my wiki at alantestwiki.pbworks.com.
Let's take a look at how LISP could be used to link three remote IPv6 sites over an IPv4 network. The headquarters site, router A, has been modified to act as a map server and map resolver. I'll explain this function in a few moments. Router A, B, and C are also capable of encapsulating IPv6 inside IPv4 and removing the IPv4 envelope as required. Routers B and C will initially register with router A, indicating their IPv4 addresses for the IPv4 tunnels and their corresponding IPv6 prefixes that they wish to advertise. The network will now understand the mapping topology. Using the map server and map resolver, the network can now resolve how the routing locators, or RLOCs, and their IPv4 addresses correspond to specific IPv6 addresses. These routing locators will forward the IPv6 packets to the appropriate endpoint identifiers, or EIDs, of specific hosts within their network. The information from the map server and map resolver can be cached at routers B and C after the initial registration. With this view, we can see a typical table within the map server map resolver. We can see that all the links are up and all three sites have successfully registered their routing locators, indicated by the IPv4 addresses. We can also see the IPv6 EID prefixes that correspond with these routing locators. Now let's follow a packet from the headquarters site to a specific address in Spoke 1. The packet enters router A, gets encapsulated with IPv4, and then at Spoke 1, the IPv4 wrapper is removed and we are back to our native IPv6. In summary, here are the common terms or expressions, acronyms that are going to be used when you're dealing with LISP. An endpoint identifier, EID. Now, these are the current addresses assigned to end hosts, for example, a specific host within your network. Routing locators, or RLOC. These are the addresses assigned to routers that make up the global routing system. Ingress tunnel router, ITR. An ITR is a LISP site edge device that receives packets from the site-facing interfaces, internal hosts, and encapsulates them to remote LISP sites, or natively forwards them to non-LISP sites. Egress tunnel router, or ETR. An ETR is a LISP site edge device that receives packets from core-facing interfaces, the internet, and de-encapsulates LISP packets and delivers them to local EIDs at the site. A map server, or MS. A map server is a device that ETRs register to with their EID prefixes. The map server advertises aggregates for the registered EID, or endpoint ID, prefixes into the LISP mapping system. The map resolver, or MR. MR is a device that ITRs send LISP map request queries when resolving EID to RLOC mappings.
Thank you for watching this Alan Talks Tech video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you'd like to get more information on my technology videos with additional material, you can visit my wiki at alantestwiki.pbworks.com. Once again, thanks for viewing.